Georgia Traffic Law 40-6-140, obedience to signal indicating approach of train. Whenever any person driving a vehicle approaches a railroad grade crossing, such driver should stop within 50 feet, but not less than 15 feet from the nearest rail of such railroad, and shall not proceed until he can do so safely. When a clearly visible electric or mechanical signal device gives warning of the immediate approach of a train, a crossing gate is lowered, or a human flagman gives or continues to give a signal of the approach of the passage of a train, or an approaching train is plainly visible and is in hazardous proximity to such crossing. No person shall drive any vehicles through, around, or under any crossing gate or barrier at a railroad crossing while such gate or barrier is closed or is being opened or closed.